To enable or disable SIM card on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we want to proceed to the mobile networks. Next, you want to choose the SIM that you want to enable or disable. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. And then you can tap on the switcher in order to turn it off. Now in here, we have an information that in order to disable this SIM, we need to make sure that it is not used as the default option for any of these options in here. So as you can see, we have default for calls, SIM, data SIM, and for SMS. So in my case, and the SIM number 1 is used for data SIM. I need to switch to number 2, and then I can turn it off. And there we go, we can press OK, and now it's deactivated. Keep in mind that in order to turn off SIM card, we need to have at least one additional SIM activated on our phone. So if you have just one physical SIM card inserted into your phone, then of course you will not be able to turn it off. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.